Today I will show you how to make your phone look like this, and this, and this. From now on, all my videos will be in English. With iOS 14, now you can add widgets and customize the icons of your apps. Let me show you how. In order to do that, you will have to download an app called Widgetsmith. I will put the link for this app in the description. After the app is downloaded, we will open the app, and here we have multiple sizes of widgets. As we can see here, we have the small widgets, medium widgets, and the large widgets. Let's open or add a medium widget. As we can see here, a widget is added. We will tap on it. After that, we will tap again, and here we will be greeted with multiple types of widgets. As we can see here, we have time, date, we have custom, which will enable you to add photos in those widgets. Also, we have calendar and a bunch of other widgets. Some of them are paid. Let's choose, for example, the custom widget, and we will choose photo. After that, we will have selected photos here, and we'll click on choose photo. Now we can choose any photo that we have downloaded from the internet, so you are free to choose whichever photo that you like. Let's choose, for example, this photo. As we can see here, we have the widget ready. We just can go back and save, and as we can see here, the widget is saved. Now the widget is ready. You will just have to memorize the number of the widget. In our case, it's number 5. Let's go to a new page, and then we will hold on the home just to enter the jiggle mode. After that, we'll click on the plus sign, and then we'll scroll down until we see Widgetsmith. As we can see here, we'll open it. We will choose the size. We chose medium, so we'll choose medium, and then add the widget. As we can see here, here is the widget. We'll just have to click on it just to make sure that we chose the right widget. As you can see here, you can choose any widget that you have created. Let's choose widget number 5, and that's it. As you can see here, the widget is displayed beautifully in the home screen. Now let's go to the app again and try to add another widget. Let's go to the small widget. We'll click on add small widget, then we'll click on the widget, click on it again, and let's choose this time a different thing. Let's choose the date and day. Now, as you can see here, we have other options, not only the background, we have the font. So when you click on it, you have multiple fonts you can choose from. Let's choose, for example, chalk duster. Then we can choose the tint color, which is the font color. As you can see here, we can choose any color we want from this list, and we can choose also the background color. As we can see here, we have multiple colors we can choose from, and even we have some widgets with borders. Let's choose, for example, this blue one, and that's it. We'll go back, save, and now we can do the same thing again. Just hold and then tap on the plus, and then scroll down, Widgetsmith, choose the small widget and click on it, and choose the small 3, which is the widget that we just created. And as we can see here, here is our brand new widget. Now let's look at how we can change the icons of our apps. For this, you will need the shortcuts app, which is by default in iOS 14. After that, we'll click on shortcuts, and we'll click on the plus sign to add a new shortcut, add action. Let's search here for open app. After we search for open app, as you can see here, you can click on open app. Now we will click on choose. After that, we'll choose any app that we want. For example, let's choose the phone app. After that, we'll choose the app, and then we'll click on these 3 circles. As we can see here, name the shortcuts. Let's name it phone 2. I've already created phone 1. After that, we'll click on add to home screen. We will name it again. Let's call it phone 2. And then to change the icon of this app, we'll click on this icon here. Let's click on it and then choose photo. After that, I will assume that you have already downloaded the icon that you want from the internet. You can Google any icon that you want and choose it. Let's choose the phone icon and then click on choose. As we can see here is a preview for the icon that will be disabled or displayed in the home screen. After that, you click on add, done, and that's it. As we can see here, the icon phone 2 has been created with the same color that we chose or photo that we chose. The only thing that's a little bit annoying is that when you click on this icon, it will take you first to the shortcuts application, then it will open the app. Maybe my iPhone 10 is a bit slow, that's why it takes a little bit long time, but it should be fine if you like to customize your phone. Let's click on the phone. As we can see here, it took us to the phones application easily, and you can customize and choose any icon that you want, any color that you want easily. As you can see here, I made a home screen or a page with the theme of red. Here I made a theme of blue, and here the theme is yellow, if you don't consider this icon. So I think it looks very nice. You can customize finally in iOS 14. It looks good, and I like it. Please like the video if you did, subscribe if you loved it, and dislike if you didn't, and tell me why in the comments.